So we have it. They've got someone on air right now.
The abstract one with lots of splurges on the walls of it, yeah, good answer.
Who's your favourite member of Second House?
Alex Jock, without a doubt,
Let's have a look at some of these guys. Should say culture. There's a barcode there if you want to scan it, listen to it. Bradford 2025. Speaker. Let's see what this bit says. Bradford 2025. Yeah guys, I'm absolutely sweating as well because I've got a black jacket on to try sweat the rest of this out. But try get on here, get some, have a little Q&A in here, and this guy's finished. Right, so this is the on air guys. Are you guys alright being in video? So here's a little station. Barcodes.
Send me some, Jess. I can do.
Cool little cabin. It's nice and cool in here actually as well. With some flowers.
We've got a bit. Sorry, back in the mic. You can turn my mic. I'm very aware.